You guys, I'm so excited. White pumpkin and chai is coming back to Bath and Body Works this fall. So let's make a white pumpkin and chai shower routine. Just gonna put these back. I really don't have that many pumpkin scented body washes, but let's go with Pumpkin Pop from Tria. I'm going to wear my body scrubs are, let's go with Pumpkin Spice Latte, also from Tria. This is like a sweet cinnamon pumpkin type scent. I think it's obvious what lotion I'm picking for this routine. Of course, we're going with Pumpkin Chai from EOS. For the perfume, I'm actually going to use Lattafa's Camera Kiwa. Y'all, I'm wearing this today, and this is so strong. This is a perfect fall cinnamony nutmeg type fragrance. You definitely need this if you like strong gourmands. And there you have it. This is my white pumpkin and chai inspired shower routine. Y'all, this routine is bound to turn heads. You're gonna smell like the perfect spicy pumpkin chai concoction, y'all. Let me know what you guys think about these products, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.